MDaemon Webmail, users can publish a schedule of their availability for appointment booking. And when this feature was released, we published a video on how to use the appointment booking, and I'll link to it in the description below this video. And then if a user wants to share their appointment booking schedule with somebody else, they can place a link to their calendar of availability in their MDaemon Webmail email signature. And because MDaemon Webmail supports multiple signatures, users can choose when to share their appointment booking schedule when composing an email message. So first, let's recap how to publish a schedule of availability in MDaemon Webmail. First, in MDaemon Webmail, we go to the options menu or the gear icon, depending on which MDaemon Webmail theme you are using. And then we go over here to Folders. Scroll down, and on the right-hand side, select the calendar that you would like to use for appointment booking, and then click on Publish Schedule. You can then select each day of the week that you are available. In this case, I've already selected availability on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So for example, if I click on Monday, we can see that I am available from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. I can add another day of availability, say for example on Thursday, and I can enter my available hours as shown here, and then click on Add Availability. And then I can update my schedule accordingly. And whenever you create your schedule of availability, a link is generated that you can share with others to allow them to book appointments on your calendar. So if you'd like to share this link in your MDaemon Webmail email signature, you can copy the link to your clipboard using the button shown here. And then once we close out of this, you can go to the Compose menu and then scroll down, and down here on the right-hand side, MDaemon Webmail supports multiple email signatures. So I can create a new signature that's specifically used to facilitate appointment booking. I'll click on New. I'll call this Appointments. I'll then enter my signature, and then I can create a hyperlink to my appointment booking calendar. We'll start by entering the text that you want to display, and then we can turn this into a hyperlink that points to my booking calendar. So if we highlight it, we can use the pop-up here to insert a hyperlink. So we'll click on the link icon, and then we'll paste the URL that we copied when we created our booking availability schedule. And then we'll click on Save. So now when composing an email message, we can change the email signature to the one we just created that contains the appointment booking link. For example, in the MDaemon Webmail Pro theme, when composing a message, we can click on the icon shown here with the 3 dots. This is the Options link. Select Advanced Options. And then in the drop-down menu shown here, we can select the appointment's signature that we just created. And once we close this window out, the appointment booking link is now added to my signature, and then I can send out my email message. And when the recipient receives the email, they can simply click on the appointment booking link that we added in our signature, and then select their preferred date and time and enter their details in the blanks below. They can add any additional notes as needed, and then click on Request Appointment. So when they request the appointment, it will show up on your calendar as tentative, or you can approve or decline it as needed.